BeyBladeWorld.net, and this video is called the Beyblade 0GW BBA Gold, Silver, Bronze Unboxing. So, pretty awesome. As you can see, there are the 3 Beyblades. We'll only be unboxing one of them so far. These, I'm guessing they're from a Beyblade tournament. Basically, gold ones first, silver ones. I'm just going to do a zoom, just to explain. Probably they're from a tournament. Gold ones first prize, silver, you already know, second, third is bronze. So today, we will be unboxing. So today, I'll be unboxing the Bronze-tastic Beyblade. Yeah, Bronze-tastic. So anyways, I'm going to get this Beyblade out of its plastic wrapping along with the launcher. Show your part by part, show you the stickers, then after put the stickers onto the Beyblade, do the 2 test launches, and end this epic video. So here we got the Beyblade out. So I'm going to show you part by part and basically describe to you how awesome this is. Here we have got that little awesome stone face bolt. Now I have to stop this, sorry, because the focus isn't that good. Here I got the Beyblade out, and I'm going to tell you how awesome this is by showing you the Beyblade part by part. Here we got the stone face bolt, or as I like to call it, the awesome base bolt. As you can see right there, it is kind of like a cocoa brown color. And by that I mean just bronze-tastic. Bronzesome. It's awesome combined with bronze. Anyways, here we have got that, that awesome and amazing chromium wheel. I'm just gonna call it chromium wheel. Probably I didn't pronounce that right. It's a pretty awesome. Basically, that's bronze color. Now this is kind of like Bandon's. That kind of reminds me of Bandon Golem because it's the same color as it's the crystal wheel is kind of the same as Bandon Golem. So, anyways, pretty awesome, I have to say. And you can see right there, we got kind of like a cocoa dark chocolate brown color. By that I mean, well, it's not really bronze, kind of like a chocolatey color. So anyways, here we have got the stickers and that awesome launcher. So now I'm going to put the stickers on the Beyblade, do the test launch, which is 2 modes, and then end this amazing video. Now here's that awesome Beyblade fully assembled. And our test launch will be in the Attack Type Stadium. Why? Because, well, it's an Attack Type Beyblade and it's an awesome stadium for test launches. So anyways, 3, 2, 1, let it rip. As you can see, a pretty awesome Beyblade. Incredible Beyblade. So now we're going to see how awesome this is in a close-up view. As you can see, pretty awesome Beyblade. So now I'm going to stop this Beyblade. I'm going to change the mode. Okay, changing the mode of the Beyblade. Right now. Here's the changed mode of the Beyblade, as you can see right there. So now, that awesome test launch. So, 3, 2, 1, let it rip. As you can see, this awesome Beyblade. Pretty cool. As you can see, this Beyblade is pretty amazing. And by pretty amazing, I mean absolutely awesome. So anyways, let us see how awesome this Beyblade is still. Because, I mean, it's Shogun good. Or 0G good. Just going to stop the Beyblade now. Okay, so anyways, please make sure you like this video, make it your favorite, and share, please subscribe, and thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. Shogun good.